Hunter.
So we're back again, and this time Hunter's gonna teach me how to make their favorite grilled cheese.
Yeah, today I'm going to teach you how to make a pepperoni pizza grilled cheese. Yeah, one of my favorite grilled cheeses. Just a few extra steps, kind of like the Peeps video, but better.
I'm excited. Let's get into it.
Let's go. Don't forget to get your parents' permission, right?
Parents' permission.
We're gonna be working with a stove, some sharp objects, and we're gonna have a lot of fun. So let's get to it. Here are the ingredients. All right, for this grilled cheese, you're going to need sourdough, some sort of white cheese. I'm gonna use mozzarella and Parmesan Romano and Asiago. Some pepperoni, unless you're vegetarian, you could skip that part. Some butter and some pizza sauce. And then some spoons to make the pizza sauce spreading easier, and of course, a knife, spatula, and a pan on the stove at low heat. All right, here we go. All right, so first, obviously, we're gonna grab 2 slices of our bread. We're gonna use sourdough. And then, per usual, we're going to butter the outside. Even though it makes it a little bit messier, it's just easier in the end. We're gonna butter the outside of our bread.
Yeah, but that's what makes it fun. The mess.
The mess, absolutely. Make sure when you, make sure when you butter your bread, you're getting all of the edges so they're getting nice and golden brown.
Okay, now that we have our grilled cheese buttered up, what's next?
We are now going to flip them. Go ahead and flip them over. Make sure you're using a plate or some sort of protectiveness for your table because it's about to get a little bit messy. Now, we're gonna go ahead and open up our pizza sauce. Here you go.
Thank you. Doesn't
And
matter.
just get as much pizza sauce as you like. And don't forget, it's gonna be very messy. I'm not a huge pizza sauce fan, but I do love these grilled cheese because it just adds a little bit of extra flavor from, you know, like a regular grilled classic cheese. So go ahead and make sure you spread that all over. If you want to double side, do both sides. I think I'm gonna do both sides.
I think I'm gonna do both sides as well. I'm gonna overload it with pizza sauce.
Yeah. So once you load up your pieces of bread with your desired amount of marinara, as we can see, we have 2 kinds of marinara, people.
Two types of.
Very much, and only a moderate amount. We're gonna get into the cheese. And again, I think I'm gonna be like you, how you were on this marinara here. I'm gonna do that with the cheese. I'm just gonna put so much cheese on it. So I'm gonna use mozzarella first, and this is one of my favorite cheeses.
I'm gonna go in with the Parmesan.
Just put that all over, just like that. This already looks delicious. And here's my little secret. I'm gonna put the pepperoni between my 2 cheeses.
Ooh.
Yeah, you know, hide it in there a little bit,
That's
but it's
different.
still there. I'm gonna open up my pepperoni. I'm gonna go ahead and lay some pieces of pepperoni on.
And remember, if you don't eat pepperoni or if you don't eat pork, there are vegetarian options.
There was turkey pepperoni at the store that I almost bought, but
You can also substitute with salami. I love salami on my pizza.
I'm putting this back in there. Probably just gonna eat that whole bag later. And then on top of my pepperoni, I'm gonna add the rest of my cheese. Here you go. I'm just gonna.
As you can tell, there are 2 different types of pizza eaters.
Fully loaded pizza, moderately loaded pizza. Whatever you prefer, you know? You're gonna be the one consuming it. Oh, look at that. Look at that beautiful pizza we're making here.
Alright, I'm gonna go light with the mozzarella.
Light with the mozzarella. All right, so that concludes our making of it. Now we're gonna go cook it. So you can go ahead and flop your, right there you go. Look at that. All right, let's go to the stove. All right, so you're gonna have your pan on the stove at medium to low heat. And then whenever your pan is hot, make sure your parents are helping you with this. You can go ahead and load in your grilled cheese. Should we do one at a time?
Let's do it.
I think we're gonna do one at a time. So it's gonna take a little bit longer, but we can put them right in the middle so it cooks a tiny bit faster. And warning parents, this does get messy. So as you can see, the cheese just went everywhere. So be prepared to clean a lot of dishes. Woo, there we go, look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Crisp. I'm gonna give it another 45 seconds and then I'm gonna plate it and we'll do these second one. All right, now we're going to do Yonique's. Oh man, all right. Oh gosh, what is the best way to do this? All right, we're going under and down. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to flip this. It might go everywhere, but here we go. Oh, oh, it's a little burnt. All right, remember we said low to medium heat. This is a little bit crispy. Yonique, I hope you like yours crispy.
I love my grilled cheese crispy.
Perfect. All right, so I think these are good to go. Oh, there we go. All right, look at that. All right, make sure you turn your stove off and let them cool for a second. All right, so we made our pepperoni grilled cheese, and now for the taste test, the best part of the entire video, which probably might sound like this. The best part of the entire video, cutting it and taking our first bite. Don't forget, you might want to wait for these to cool down a little bit.
Yeah, they're definitely gonna be hot. The cheese is gonna be melted.
Remember, if you put pepperoni on there too, it might be a little bit hot as well. All right, there's my cut. Ooh, nice and crispy, crispy, still hot in the middle. Ooh, going everywhere. Are you ready to take our first bite?
I'm so excited.
All right.
Should we cheers?
Cheers, yes, let's cheers. Cheers to the pizza grilled cheese. Here we go.
Wow, this one has got to be my favorite one.
Just a small little way to up your grilled cheese game. Add a little marinara, got a few different types of cheeses, some pepperoni, and you got yourself a pizza grilled cheese.
This is great. This was a great idea, Hunter.
Thank you. Look at that.
Thanks for watching this video with us, and thanks Hunter for stopping by and showing us your favorite grilled cheese.
Anytime.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a little comment below and let us know which one was your favorite grilled cheese. Peace out, Long Beach.